This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty in VR. First, understand that playing Call of Duty in virtual reality isn't a native feature, but rather achieved through PC VR streaming. This method allows you to experience the game in a 360-degree environment, enhancing immersion significantly. We'll cover the essential hardware, software setup, and tips for an optimal experience. Get ready to dive into the battlefield like never before. To begin your VR Call of Duty journey, you'll need robust hardware. A powerful gaming PC is absolutely essential, ideally featuring a graphics card like an NVIDIA RTX 3070 or higher, ensuring smooth frame rates. You'll also need a compatible PC VR headset, such as an Oculus Quest 2 or Valve Index, capable of delivering a high-resolution, wide field-of-view experience. Don't forget comfortable headphones for immersive audio. Once your hardware is ready, the next step is software setup. Install Steam VR and a VR streaming application such as Virtual Desktop or Oculus Link on your PC. Configure your chosen software to establish a stable connection between your VR headset and computer, whether wirelessly or with a high-speed cable. Finally, launch Call of Duty through its usual platform. Then activate the VR streaming overlay to project the game into your virtual environment. Optimizing your VR Call of Duty experience is key for enjoyment. Adjust in-game settings like field of view and motion blur to help mitigate motion sickness, which can be common in fast-paced VR games. Experiment with various VR controller bindings to discover the most intuitive aiming and movement setup for you. Remember to take frequent breaks, perhaps every 30 minutes, to ensure comfort and prevent any eye strain during your intense virtual battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.